Imagine a world where a seemingly ordinary object holds the power to change everything. In the realm of philosophical concepts and abstract thinking, one object stands out for its profound impact on our understanding of reality: tape. From the sticky strips we use to hold together our daily lives to the philosophical implications of its adhesive properties, tape has become a fascinating topic of study. So why should we care about something as mundane as tape? Well, the answer lies in the intricate web of philosophical concepts and ideas that it represents. From the nature of causality to the limits of human understanding, tape has become a symbol of the complex relationships between objects and our perceptions of them. But what exactly is tape and how does it work? Tape is a type of adhesive material that is designed to stick to surfaces and hold things together. It works by using a combination of molecular forces and surface tension to create a strong bond between the tape and the surface it's attached to. But that's not the strangest part. The adhesive properties of tape are a perfect example of the concept of emergence, where the properties of a system become greater than the sum of its individual parts. Until you hear what comes treeing to next. Relationships between the cause and effect study of tape has led to a deeper understanding of the nature of causality and the limits of human knowledge.
For centuries, philosophers have grappled with the concept of causality, trying to understand the fundamental relationships between cause and effect.
But it wasn't until the discovery of the adhesive properties of tape that we began to grasp the true nature of causality. You see, when we use tape to hold something together, we're creating a causal relationship between the tape and the surface it's attached to. But what if we were to take it a step further and ask, what if the tape itself is the cause and the surface it's attached to is the effect? This phenomenon occurs when we start to see the world in a different way, when we begin to question the fundamental assumptions we've made about reality. And then something unexpected happened. The study of tape led to a breakthrough in our understanding of the limits of human knowledge. It turned out that the adhesive properties of tape were not just a result of the molecular forces at play, but also a result of the way our brains process information. You see, when we use tape to hold something together, we're not just creating a physical bond between the tape and the surface. We're also creating a mental connection between the two. This is a perfect example of the concept of embodied cognition, where our thoughts and perceptions are deeply rooted in our physical experiences. But that's not all. The study of tape has also led to a deeper understanding of the nature of reality itself. It turns out that reality is not just a collection of separate objects, but a complex web of relationships between them. This is a perfect example of the concept of holism, where the whole is greater than the sum of its individual parts. And that's not all. The study of tape has also led to a breakthrough in our understanding of the nature of time itself. It turns out that time is not just a linear progression, but a complex web of relationships between past, present, and future. This is a perfect example of the concept of nonlinear causality, where the cause and effect are not just separate events, but are deeply intertwined. So, what can we learn from the humble tape? We can learn that even the most mundane objects can hold profound secrets and insights. We can learn that the nature of reality is complex and multifaceted, and that our understanding of it is always subject to change. And we can learn that the study of philosophical concepts and abstract thinking is not just a dry and academic pursuit, but a deeply human and relatable one, constructed through, but that's not all. The study of tape has also led to a deeper understanding of the nature of human perception and experience. LV4 GCC Libst CX Zabai 1019. But also a result of our mental and emotional states. This is a perfect example of the concept of constructivism. What does this mean for us? LV for GCC Libst CX Zabai 1019. So what does this mean for us? It means that our understanding of reality is always subject to change and revision. It means that our perceptions of the world are not just a reflection of the physical reality, but also a reflection of our mental and emotional states. And it means that the study of philosophical concepts and abstract thinking is not just a dry and academic pursuit, but a deeply human and relatable one. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the humble tape. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.